November 20th, 2011. We're looking at the website. We've added a link. I want to point out it's 2011 WP4. It's a new near-Earth object, asteroid that's going to come in close like U-55 did. It's we put a link straight to the JPL model of it. It's limited information. Let's go there. Now that will take you to this page. If you're coming straight in from your JPL model link, just type in 2011 WP4 right there. Now, today's date is the 20th. We'll come back to the 20th. You've got it coming in above Earth. We're going to move up to the 24th. Notice your distance right here. The Earth distance is will be the close approach on the 24th. Notice it's 0.0275 on the 20th. Come up to the 24th, you're at 0.0045. Now, there's a good bit of uncertainty on this exact path. The reason is because they just discovered it Friday. And if you remember, they had talked about with YU-55, it would be a long time before something would come this close again. And that just tells you how fast something can come in undetected. Well, now, the close approach of YU-55 was 0.0022. So this is showing a little difference. But again, they don't have a point A to point B reference. You just have 2 days of tracking. Now, if this is, we'll pull this in as close as we can get it. Right there. And you can see that we're close. It's not going to tell you a lot of information here. But what you'd want to do is go to some of your information here. Now, your condition code 8, this is a code of uncertainty in the orbit path. It goes from 0 to 9, 9 being the most uncertain, 0 being the most certain. But you can click that. It will pull up here condition code. There it will tell you orbit uncertainty, estimate 0 to 9, 0 being good, 9 being uncertain. We're at an 8. Now, that's simply because I think they don't have as much information on it as they need. Notice also we've had 1 day data arc span. That is telling you that they, again, the point A to B references are missing there. And solution date yesterday on the 19th. Now that always reminds me about one of the verses in Revelation 18:21. And it says, "And a mighty angel took up a stone like a great millstone, and cast it into the sea, saying, Thus with violence shall that great city Babylon be thrown down, and shall be found no more at all." And they're talking about a city obviously close to the ocean, where you would either a tsunami or a tidal wave from something like an asteroid being thrown down out of the sky. And there's been speculation over which city that was since probably this verse was written. And it's been narrowed down from, I've heard Rome, because if you'll study Revelation 17 and 18, it's going to give you a lot of clues. It talks about a city on 7 hills. That Staten Island is on 7 hills, so it's Rome. Both are close enough to the ocean to be effective. One key thing, if you notice these 2 chapters, is it talks about this city is a great trading empire. I'm not going to read both chapters to you. It's kind of a research project. It would be good for everybody to study it. It talks about the riches of the city. And if you go to Google and type in cities on 7 hills, it'll give you several around the world. So it's an excellent Bible study. But the great city, when it starts talking about it in 17, it talks about it being a woman, the great harlot, Babylon. And then it goes on to say the woman that you see is a city. So it's just a heads up on this, and it's a good study. Thanksgiving Day, we're going to have WP4 coming by. We're going to be in the outer alignment with Elenin, which, again, the first outer alignment was the day of the Great Japan earthquake. So we're going to be watching it, and it's a heads up, and I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.